Hello, I'm Dr. Fareen Karachiwala, Associate Medical Officer of Health for York Region. I am pleased to share with you that York Region has now successfully immunized more than 60% of our residents in the 80-plus priority age group. Almost 70% of healthcare workers in the highest and very high priority groups have also been vaccinated. These are incredible milestones to celebrate. The more we protect the most vulnerable and those at highest risk of COVID-19, the more lives we can save and sickness and grief we can prevent. Public Health, along with our community partners, have been providing vaccinations to eligible residents through 5 clinic locations across the region. We expect our vaccine supplies to keep increasing in the coming weeks, and as a result, we'll continue to open more COVID-19 vaccine clinics. This week, for example, an additional clinic will open at the Maple Community Center in Vaughan. 19,000 additional COVID-19 vaccine appointments for residents 80 years of age and older and eligible healthcare workers opened this morning at 8:30 for appointments in our now 6 clinic locations. To ensure appointments are available to everyone who's eligible, we really encourage people to book just 1 appointment per person and cancel any appointments that you do not intend to use. Looking ahead, we do plan to complete vaccinations for those in the first phase of the priority vaccine distribution plan from the province and move to the next age and priority groups as quickly as possible. We know you are anxious and eager to get the vaccine, and for that we are very glad. But we continue to ask people waiting to be patient. We are committed to ensuring that everyone who wants to receive the vaccine will have the opportunity, and we will openly communicate when it is your turn. York Region is aligning itself with the Ministry of Health's decision to increase the time between the first and second doses of all COVID-19 vaccines available in Canada, up to 16 weeks or 4 months. This change lets many more people get a first dose. I know there are some concerns with this change, so let me provide some more information. The first dose of either the Pfizer or Moderna vaccine has been shown to give about 92% protection after 2 weeks of getting the dose, which is a very high rate of effectiveness. After the second dose, the protection is pushed up further to 94-95%, and that protection is expected to last for many more months. So the whole point of the second dose is to boost and lengthen how long you are protected for. But remember, in the short term, people do get excellent protection with the first dose. With rates of COVID-19, including the new variants of concern, being as unpredictable as they are, and without an unlimited supply of vaccines for every single person to have 2 doses right away on schedule, it is a race against time. The quicker we can get the most number of our residents vaccinated in the short term with even 1 dose, the better it is for everybody. More lives can be saved, and we can have a better shot at revitalizing and healing our communities before more COVID-19 potentially takes hold. We are actively working to reschedule second dose appointments impacted by this change, but it will take us some time, so please do continue to be patient with us. Finally, today the Ontario government has launched its provincial-led online booking portal and customer service line. We have made an operational decision at this time to not fully transition all York Region clinics to the provincial booking system and will continue to consider its rollout locally. As of March 15th, 5 of the 6 current vaccination clinics in York Region will continue using existing booking systems through york.ca/COVID-19 vaccine. The Cornell Community Center Vaccine Clinic in the city of Markham will transition to the provincial booking system as of Monday, March 15th, and residents will be able to access booking either through york.ca/COVID-19 vaccine or by going directly to the provincial booking portal. As always, we will continue to offer more and more appointments in York Region as vaccine becomes available, and we encourage everybody to get these safe and effective vaccines that protect against getting sick from COVID-19. In the meanwhile, stay vigilant, We are seeing variants of concern locally. Stay healthy and informed, and let's please continue to be patient, compassionate, and understanding with one another as we go through these next few months together.